Can I be real with you? A lot of people want to make money online, but they get stuck. Maybe you've tried Amazon, Shopify, or Etsy. Maybe you've dabbled in affiliate marketing, or maybe you've just been posting on Instagram hoping something clicks. And if you're brand new, it can feel like too much, too many voices, too many options. Either way, without a brand, it's almost impossible to stand out. And that's why it feels so hard. That's exactly why I love the Ultimate Branding course. It breaks everything down and shows you how to build a brand that people actually notice and connect with. Whether it's your personal brand or a business brand, once you know how to position yourself online, your marketing makes sense. Your audience starts paying attention and sales feel so much easier. And the cool thing, you can practice these skills while also selling done-for-you digital products with an affiliate program that comes with UBC that pays up to 85% commissions. So you're learning and earning at the same time. And here's why I care about this so much. For decades, I was a performer. Being on stage was my world. But when life forced me to pivot, I had to figure out how to make money in a way that didn't depend on me physically showing up every day. That's how I found online business. I built multiple companies from the ground up, scaled some to 6 figures and even to 7, and along the way, I became obsessed with branding and marketing. That was the game changer. I got so good at it that Meta actually noticed. They invited me to speak on panels, serve as a keynote, and join their Small Medium Business Council, consulting them on how to make their platforms better for small business owners and entrepreneurs like us. I was even featured in USA Today. Later, when I decided to pivot into digital products, I knew I wanted to sharpen my skills even more. That's why I took the Ultimate Branding course. It gave me structure, filled in the gaps, and honestly made me wish I had something like it years earlier. It confirmed what I already knew about branding and marketing, but it also taught me new strategies that helped me expand my brand and grow through digital products in a sustainable way. And that's what I want for you. Imagine knowing exactly how to show up online so people see you, trust you, and actually want to buy from you. Imagine building something that grows with you instead of burning you out. And imagine doing it with digital products. No inventory, no shipping, no stress, just freedom, flexibility, and a brand you're proud of. If you're tired of spinning your wheels and you're ready to finally build a brand that pays you back, the Ultimate Branding course is where you start. All you have to do is hit that Join Now button, and I'll see you in the community.